If you have missed out on thousands of dollars in free airdrops from Arbitrum, Optimism, or any other big layer 1 or layer 2, then you need to listen carefully. Why? Because in this video I will explain you exactly how you can participate in one of the biggest airdrops of MetaMask. And in this video I will also explain you how you can earn double the points as any other person in this space. So stay tuned if you want to qualify yourself. People who have used MetaMask for years are finally getting rewarded. And right now you can still join this airdrop campaign before it's too late. MetaMask just announced MetaMask Season 1 Linea. It is the first official campaign where you can earn on-chain points for completing super simple tasks inside the MetaMask mobile application. These points will later decide who will qualify for the airdrop. So this is basically your early access ticket. On the website of MetaMask, we can see rewards are here. And you probably think, how do I qualify myself and how do I earn the double amount of points for each simple task? And before I tell you step 1, I want to talk first about the sponsor of this channel. It is Best Wallet. We all know MetaMask. MetaMask is huge, but did you also know that Best Wallet is around the corner? This project is currently not on the market yet, but they want to build MetaMask on steroids. Currently, they have a pre-sale which is open and they have like $70 million already raised, and it is open for only 8 days left, which after their token will go live on the market. Right now, the price of the token is cheaper compared than the listing price, so you will get a discount. But what makes Best Wallet better? They want to also offer early access to new projects. They want to reduce the transaction fees, higher staking rewards for people so you can stake your tokens inside their application. And they have a community governance token, which means as a token holder, you are also able to vote on future decisions. Is that all? No, there is more. They also want to have a managed portfolio function where they want to offer you the option to have multiple wallets, multiple folders to manage your portfolio in the best way. Staking is also inside the wallet, as we can see. If you have ETH, Sol, Kaspa, or any other token, you can stake it inside their wallet. You can start earning APY on your tokens. It is not only an ETH or BNB wallet, it is also a Bitcoin wallet, Solana wallet, Ripple. It is your all-in-one crypto wallet for holding all of your tokens. They also want to launch very soon their own Best Wallet card, which means you can start spending your crypto straight away with this card of Best Wallet. So again, 8 days left before the pre-sale ends, and shout out to Best Wallet. And let's continue the video. So what is step 1 for this airdrop? First, download the MetaMask application on your phone. Right now, it is not possible to do this through your desktop. So download it on your phone. After downloading, set up your account, and then step 2 will be go to the reward section on the right corner. It is in the bottom corner on the right side. Click on reward. Then you see this screen where you can click on claim 250 points. But I told you before, if you use my code, you will be able to claim double the points as normal on all of your tasks and also on this 250 points straight away. Then you click on next, click again on next. And now we're getting to the most important part of this video, to be liable to earn 2 times the points as normal. You see referral code. Fill in the following referral code: JH1MVD. So after completing step 2 and signing up for the reward quests, how to get points? That's the most important question right now, right? We all want to earn points. So on the website of MetaMask, we can see swapping tokens, 8 points per $10 of swapping on across supported networks. There's also a perp trade option, 1 point per $10 opening and closing and executing, taking profits or stop losses. So it means if you trade perps on MetaMask, you can start earning 1 point for each $10. In case you don't have experience on perp trading, I have something for you. Yes, we have built a community, Automated Alpha, and in this community, we provide you with scalp trading signals in case you want to earn more points on your MetaMask tasks. As an example, yesterday, our scalp trader posted this signal on Atom. It says, hey, direction long, 4 hours, entry, stop losses, and everything that you need. And several hours later, we can see that take profit 1 is around the corner. So even without experience, you can still join our community. It is free. Link is inside the description. And then you can start farming those MetaMask points. Is there more? Yes. You can also invite other friends to the MetaMask Airdrop, which gives you 10 points for every 50 points that your referral is earning. The more points they earn, the more points you will also earn. Past activity. So 250 points for every $1,250 of past swapping and bridging, up to a total of 50k points per user. Note, this includes trades before October 2025. So if you are an old MetaMask user, you will also have those points from the past. Why does this matter to sign up for this MetaMask airdrop? In the last 2 years, airdrops like Arbitrum, Optimism, Blur, and many others gave people airdrops of multiple thousands of dollars. Some of my friends told me, hey, I just woke up, I received an airdrop after completing some simple tasks, and they receive up to $2,000 or even $3,000 into their wallet in free tokens. And that is why I think Season 1 could be a big deal, because some people are still sleeping on Season 1. And when they hear about, whoa, those people have made huge money in Season 1, let me join Season 2, the competition will be higher, which means a lower airdrop. So that is the reason I think Season 1 is most of the important campaigns right now. So don't wait until Twitter starts posting screenshots of people earning thousands of dollars. Again, click the link inside the description. Use my referral code for earning 2 times the points as normal. And in case you don't have experience with scalp trading, we invite you to Automated Alpha. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope you learned something, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.